Hello guys, in this video I will share to you all about simple recipe banana nugget. Check this out. For ingredients: bananas, egg, milk, vanilla, salt, sugar, and flour. First of all, you put all the ingredients in one place, then crush it until smooth. Add the flour little by little to mix well. Prepare a baking sheet and coat it with oil so that the ingredients don't stick to the pan. Put the dough in the tin. Heat the steamer. Put the dough that is already in the pan when the steamer is hot. Wait a while until the dough is cooked. If it is cooked, remove the dough and wait for it to cool. Then cut into small pieces. And then prepare coating materials. Put the dough that has been cut into the dough coating. Do it until all the ingredients run out. Put it in the fridge before frying. Heat the oil. Put the banana nuggets in the hot oil. Don't forget to flip it over so it doesn't burn, and do it until all the ingredients rise up. Prepare the toppings that are in your house. Here, I use chocolate milk and cheese. Banana nuggets are ready to serve.